Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh. Well, you keep accidentally turning it off. Oh, hold on. I know I should probably stop it, but oh my goodness.